Looking for more features and control over your messaging? Discover GB Telegram Mod APK, a modified version of Telegram that brings enhanced customization, privacy, and file sharing options. GB Telegram Mod offers key features like unlimited file sharing, auto-deletion, multiple accounts, end-to-end encryption, and customizable themes and fonts. Pros include fast messaging, unlimited file sharing, high group capacity, and fun customization options. Cons include security risks as a third-party app and occasional ads. Ready to install? Here's a quick guide. Enable unknown sources in your device settings. Download the APK from a trusted source. Open the downloaded file and follow on-screen instructions. And after setup, enter your phone number to log in and start using GB Telegram. GB Telegram Mod APK offers powerful customization and privacy options. If you're looking for a new level of messaging, download and give it a try, but remember to stay cautious, as it's an unofficial app. If you're excited to unlock all these features, download GB Telegram Mod from a trusted source and start exploring today.